Hi Mary Kay friends, bringing you a Winning Wednesday lunch and learn. We do two things in Mary Kay. We share the products, we share the opportunity. People want to understand about the products, the features and benefits. What products do we offer? What are their benefits? What's new? What are the best sellers? What do they need to know about? And as far as the opportunity, they want to know, how do we make our money in Mary Kay? How do we run our business? So something that's worked for me for 22 years now, coming up on my anniversary tomorrow, is utilizing the starter kit bag from Mary Kay. That's going to have all of your top best-selling essentials. If you're brand new, you have the latest starter kit bag. If you're not brand new, you can create that and put your 3D formulas inside, your Time-Wise 3D. You can put in your CC creams, your ultimate mascara, your satin hands, etc. This is a pouch very similar to the Show and Go that used to be on MK Connections. It might be there now. This is from a brand called PurseN, and this is the Lexi Organizer. What's worked for me for all these years is show and tell. I am an educator by schooling, and I've used that. We've learned that in Mary Kay. We're teaching our clients what products we have and how to use them, and it's as simple as show and tell. Letting them see it, smell it, try it on the back of their hand, see it on my face as I'm wearing it, etc. So I had these all at the bottom of a pouch, and I decided to use these envelopes inside here. So the Lexi Organizer comes with a pocket on the left. I've got some mascara demo wands here for the Lash Love mascara. It comes with 3 removable pockets, and actually these are brush holders in the back. So here's how I've got it set up. I've got our 4 matte limited edition lipsticks here. My best-selling Fancy Nancy. I've got a best-selling color, I think this is Appleberry, on the Semi Shine. So that's in this pouch. And here I have all of our new brow liners, and this is the volumizing brow gel, and this shows that I think I'm missing the popular brunette color. I also have an eye primer in here to remind my clients that we offer that at a great price, show them how to use that. In the next pocket, I'm featuring the limited edition Beauty That Counts Lash Love mascara, and I have the demo wands back here, and you could also have full size of these products somewhere in the pouch or in a separate container, ready to demo, you've got your demos in here, and then you've got your full size ready to sell. And then in the back here that fit, there's an extender. I've got the pomegranate satin hands so they can smell that. Of course, I'm gonna offer the full size, the 3-piece set, but we offer this individually. The existing regular line finishing spray, so fun to demo, and the limited edition reviving facial spray with that lovely coconut scent. So quick lunch and learn of what gets you excited about organizing your product, showing and telling it during your appointments, your double facials, your parties, your on the go. So I take this with me to work and back, and I have it in my car, in my tote bag, and then I bring it into my boutique at my home office. Hope that blesses your business today. And this is Jenny from Sugar Grove signing off.